Excited ako na makita yung mga students na katulad ko.
Of course, I'm looking forward to meeting my peers, yung mga class ko before, batchmates, and also, syempre, yung instructor namin. Also, I'm looking forward sa mga matutunan ko sa panel discussions namin mamaya.
I think it was a great milestone, and I was super happy to see the amount of interaction and creativity that came from this event. Having the students, the alumni, and the career partners and the Uplift team partners as well, all here really brought an energy that I haven't seen in quite a long time. Community is a huge part of Uplift, and we think this was a really positive community building event.
My favorite part of the meetup is learning from our students and learning from other panelists, and of course meeting everybody from alumni to our team and the rest of the folks who are gonna be here.
Masaya ako ngayon kasi nakita ko yung mga kabatchmates ko and nagkaroon ako ng opportunity na makapag-thank you sa kay Sir Jag, sa prof namin, and sa staff ng Uplift na nag-build ng skills ko and ng confidence para maging isang software engineer ngayon.
Okay, for me, yung reconnection moment with the Uplift professors, with the professionals, and the classmates, it was very good since I always work from home. So parang maganda siyang moment to like unwind.
Masaya ako na nakita ko na yung buong Uplift team sa 5th anniversary nila. Especially dun sa batchmates ko and yung mga instructors ko.
Happy anniversary, Uplift!
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 Happy anniversary, Uplift!